everybody. Just finished my work for the day, and I've gotten, I think, the last, well, I might have 1 or 2 more packages from Southern Peach. Hold on, I'm going to open all these and then I'm going to come back. Alright, so I ordered a bunch of things from Southern Peach, as y'all remember, and they've been coming in slowly but surely. So this is my third set of packages coming in. I ordered a Sherpa shacket. So it is this nice teddy soft button up and down, all the way up and down. Cuffed sleeves with button. Pockets here. So I look forward to trying this on. I don't have any fall coats like this. I have like winter jackets and like a snowboarding jacket, and then I have like hoodies and stuff, but I don't have like something to go out and about in and look put together. So I was able to take advantage and get this one from Southern Peach. I also got some leggings. These are all one size fits most. This is a black and gray tie-dye. It's supposed to be all the way down, so I'm interested to see how these fit. One size fits most usually makes me nervous because not everybody got the same body type. So I would like to see how these look on me. Then I have this paint splatter one. They're all really soft, which is nice. Exactly like the, well, not exactly the same kind of softness, but they are super soft like the biker shorts. And then I got this one in the Sugar Skull. And then I also got this jumper here with the pumpkins all over. I'm kind of sad because we just went to Jaymore Farms and had a family outing, and I did not have this shirt to wear. I just wore a plain old, well, I wore my mom a t-shirt for Mother's Day, but this would have been perfect. No, actually it wouldn't have. It would have been too hot, now that I think about it, because I was sweating. So maybe it's a good thing. So I should be able to wear this for Thanksgiving though. Alright, I'm going to do my little try on and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the top. Not as big as I thought. I think it'll look good for Thanksgiving. Sleeves are nice. Now, the leggings were a good surprise. So, they are high-waisted, which is nice. They fit nice and tight. Booty check, booty looks good. They go all the way down. Super happy with how these are fitting. Let me swap into the other two, and I'll be right back. Alright, and these are the paint splatters. It's again high-waisted. Booty check. They go all the way down. No complaints. Super soft. Feeling good. Last one. These are the last pair of leggings. Same thing. I feel like these were a little bit lower. That's okay. Booty check. Alright, and then we have the shacket. So this buttons all the way down. That's what the inside looks like. So it's not furry on the inside, so it shouldn't transfer on all your clothes. Oh, this is nice. This looks nice. So this is the shacket. Ooh, so warm. Okay. Comes low, covers your butt, which is nice. Then you have the button detail sleeves. So far I'm happy. Now you may be wondering, Noreen, Helga, whatever we call you, did you only buy loungewear? The answer is no. I did buy a nice jumpsuit and a nice two-piece set for like a cute outing. It's just not here yet. But I did buy mostly jumpsuits. I did buy mostly loungewear. We all know we about that life. No judgment. See y'all around.